Good evening.
Good evening.
So all said,
Yes.
that looks like a better place, no, for a mixer to happen.
Yes. Where are you? Yes, सही है. ज्यूस पीवानु, कैरम खेलवानु आणि मजेની લાઈફ.
कौन सी लैंग्वेज बात कर रहे हो भाई?
गुजराती.
हमको नहीं आती गुजराती, मगर हम समझ लेते हैं. हमारे घर में बात होती रहती गुजराती में, मगर हम थोड़ा थोड़ा
तो
समझते हैं.
वो थी ना, व्हाट वाज इट कॉल्ड, मुन्ना भाई एमबीबीएस.
हाँ.
उसमें वो जो पारसी बाबा आता है,
हाँ.
वो
तो
कहता
गुजराती में
है,
बात करता है.
वो कहता है जूस पीवानु, कैरम खेलवानु.
अच्छा, ओ या.
जूस पीना, कैरम खेलना और मजे की लाइफ. ये है. तो यू नॉट सिटिंग हियर, ये तो आपने बैकड्रॉप ही सेलेक्ट किया ना.
ऐसा लग रहा है ना कि सोशल प्ले ऑल obviously. I mean, I wish everybody is wishing that we could be sitting in a place like this, but you cannot.
Absolutely.
Today, a lot of checking happening on the road. Where are you going? Where are you going? But nobody asked us. Anyhow, I think सफेद बालों का कुछ तो फायदा है.
हाँ.
You know, हमको एक थोड़ा ये जो मेरा प्रोग्राम हो रहा है ना 5th को, थोड़ा और
सही.
बूस्ट दो यार उसको एक बारी.
ठीक है.
ठीक है, वो तो अपना, बट इस हमारा लाइफ का आ रहा है आलू में.
सॉरी.
हमें ऐसे चाहिए जो यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स होते हैं ना, startup type of people, you know.
Right.
And they are the ones who will enthusiastically participate with us. हमारे पास थोड़े थके हुए लोग ज्यादा लग रहे हैं मुझे. Anyway, somebody is joining, Girish.
Yeah.
Hi, Girish. Hi, Hussein.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Thank you, Girish, for listening to my request and joining us today.
It's my pleasure, sir.
Which is the webinar that you have given up to be with us?
No, it is not yet given. It is scheduled to 7:30. So at least I thought I should join at least for half an hour.
That mysterious one?
It is related to how to market a professional firm.
Okay.
Hi. We are.
Welcome, Saurabh.
So we are how many people? 6 people.
Pretty good.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Saurabh.
Yeah. I'm saying this is pretty good. We are still 2 minutes to go.
अतुल जी, आपकी आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है.
हमने
हाँ, मेरा सिग्नल का कुछ
बहुत ज्यादा ब्रेक हो रही है.
इश्यू दिखाई दे रहा मुझे.
हाँ,
मेरी आवाज क्लियर आ रही है?
आपकी आवाज एकदम क्लियर है.
हाँ.
I think he maybe
हाँ, right. Okay.
Okay, Hussein, can you just unmute and say something? Let's see if your voice is clearly on. Yeah, okay. At least that one word we were able to hear it. Thank you very much. And few words, eh? Give it. How many people registered, Atul?
Last was 8. Yeah.
And we can start it off. Okay. And that does not include me and you,
No, it doesn't.
does it?
No, it doesn't.
Okay. So that means we still have 2 more people to join us.
Yeah.
About why we are having this meeting, right? Until we start the formal talk. What do you think?
Yeah. Yeah.
So basically, the idea of having this mixer was that we can get a few selected members and we start looking at what is it that we can do to have each eGrowth member get what he wants from his participation in eGrowth. After all, everybody is joining for a certain purpose, right? So we would love to know, even though it's quite obvious what your purpose is, but still, let's get clear. I mean, what do you think that you will get out of eGrowth, and how can you make sure that that happens? And what can we all do? And me as a mentor and Atul Puri as the founder of this eGrowth leverage platform, how can we help participants from getting whatever it is that they are looking for? So is it, so that's what I thought. We will have your views on this and see how we can work to improve it.
Absolutely. So thanks, Sukhdeepak, for starting this. I think let us give another 2-3 minutes. Vijay ji is trying to reach, and let us see if there are some more.
And it's good to have Ronika with us because she's the one who's doing a lot of background work, to keep the posts coming and to have all the announcements coming, and a very big support to Atul she is. Am I right, Atul?
Absolutely, yes.
So thank you, Ronika.
Now are you able to hear my voice properly?
Yes. Now it's much better than before.
Yeah. I think Geo got tired at the end of the day, so that was the thing.
Yeah. So we have one more person who's joined us. Okay, that's Ronika who's joined us.
Yeah. Vijay bhai is joining us.
Okay, so that makes it
8.
Okay. Hi, Vijay bhai. Good evening. How are you? I don't think Vijay bhai is able to hear us till now.
Good evening, everybody.
And which part of Bhai are you from?
Report.
Okay, good. So we are representing all sides. We've got one from the sector, that is Chef Hussain.
Yes.
He's here from Baikula, Hussain. And I'm from Parel and Churchgate, both you can say, right now in Parel. And what about Saurabh?
I'm from
Saurabh,
Navi
where are you?
Mumbai, Kharghar.
Arey wah, so I can see you across the bay from here, very cloudy over there.
Yes, little raining also.
Yeah, I can see it from here across the
Malay
bay.
ji, you're sitting across abundance. ये कौन सी जगह है?
यहाँ से दूर दूर तक पहाड़ भी नजर आते on a clear day,
आप सर कहाँ बैठे हैं?
मैं परेल में बैठा हूँ.
अच्छा, आपकी ऑफिस है, क्या है, घर है?
नहीं, ये तो घर है. ऑफिस हमारा चर्च के people join as they come.
सर क्या
You
है
might have to
कि
repeat
इसकी
a
जो
little bit,
मैंने सुबह में भी डाली, 2 दिन पहले भी डाली ना, तो उसकी लिंक नहीं आ रही थी. तो मैंने अभी रोनिका से रिक्वेस्ट की और ये मैंने नंबर लिया उसका ज्वाइनिंग का. So might be some people might be finding some probably issue.
नहीं, वो लिंक तो उसमें आ रही है, मैं तो रोज चेक करता हूँ, मैंने उसी में से लिंक निकाल के ज्वाइन किया है। वो जो उसमें आता है ना रोज अनाउंसमेंट्स में जो आता है,
हाँ,
उसी से मैंने ज्वाइन किया, और वही लिंक मैंने इसको हुसैन को भी भेजा, उसने भी वहीं से ज्वाइन किया। तो कुछ और बात होगी, नेवर माइंड। आप आ गए ना फाइनली?
हाँ, मैं आ गया। Landing is important.
Yeah. Okay, over years ago, when I'm setting up, and you're muted, my friend.
I said let us start with a small round of introduction.
Muted.
Yeah.
People see everything same like all medical policy, for example. So again, we segregate by this way by looking to the which policy offers what benefit. Apart from in very soon next 6 months, we'll be opening up a separately broking company. We are inviting more than 10,000 plus franchisees to join our company as a broker, licensed broker. Thank you very much.
Okay. Very good. So Atul, you can moderate this part. Saurabh, would you like to introduce yourself now?
Yes,
Hello.
of course.
Yeah.
Good evening, all. This is Saurabh Khanna. I am working as a national head for a international company by the name Uniview, which is into IP CCTV product line. Total experience of 20 years, out of which 14 years is into this domain only, electronic security product lines. I was working in Honeywell, I was working in Ingram Micro, and finally into an OEM thing.
Can you unmute your video, Saurabh, so that we can have a look at your face, and so if we
Yes.
meet somewhere on the road, we will recognize. Wow. Okay, I've seen you before. Okay.
Yes. A new look now. I have cut down my hairs today.
Okay, Girish bhai.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Atulji, for giving me this
Welcome.
opportunity.
Yeah.
My name is Girish Maru, practicing chartered accountant, located at Ghatkopar, Mumbai, mainly focusing on GST. Anything related to your GST query, you can contact me anytime. Thank you.
I am going to contact you.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, sir.
Manoj Mehta. Hi.
Yeah, hi.
Manoj bhai, su khabar.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
go ahead.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good
Myself-
evening.
From Apex Solutions. I am from Mumbai. And I am into branding and digital marketing services. My forte is catalog designing, website development, and digital marketing. So I am into it since almost 2 decades of time, and I'm an e-growth member since let's say around 4-5 years. So good to see you all. And anything into digital marketing, branding, just get in touch with me. I'm Manoj Mehta from Apex Solutions. Thank you.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Then let's have Chef Hussain. Would you introduce yourself, Hussain? You can unmute your video.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Chef Hussain Vanvati, a 21-year-old chef from Mumbai, and I'm here up with the Bori cuisine, with the name of Abora Palette Eat Well. So anything related to Bori food, you can contact me. Thank you.
Thank you. So we have this young entrepreneur, and this platform, I think, is to encourage entrepreneurs. And like Modi ji says, we should encourage the youngsters to start doing businesses. I was listening to Mr. Chima's talk yesterday, and what I liked was that we bring up our children to do Naukri, But if we bring up our children to become entrepreneurs, they will give naukri to others. That will be quite wonderful, isn't it? All right,
Absolutely.
Neelam ji, would you introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. Neelam Khanna. I'm as a profession psychologist working as a motivational trainer and industrial motivational program. I work over there, but nowadays for pandemic situations, I work from my home.
Okay, wonderful. Of course. Then we've got our very own Dharmishta with us.
Yeah.
Dharmishta, would you introduce yourself? Even though you don't need any introduction, everybody knows you.
Hi all, this is Dharmishta here from Mumbai. Welcome you all. Professionally, I take care of the 3Ds, disease, disability and death. My husband is a money multiplier. He's a CA. We have our office in Mulund as well as our client's office in Andheri too. My website is www.dharmishtabhatiashah.com. That's all from me. Thank you.
Yeah, and she runs a wonderful group out of Mulund called Mulund Smart Moms. So there are 12,000 ladies who follow her all over the place. So she's quite a celebrity.
Thank you.
Anji, Atul bhai, please take over.
All right. So it's wonderful to have 10 people. All right. So first of all, let us have a big round of applause for each one of us who are here. So claps, thumbs up, or hooray, whatever you want to share. All right. So this is for multiple reasons. One, June is ending today. All right. Tomorrow we'll have the first, so we'll have another month which is beginning. All right. Second piece, there are a lot of new initiatives in eGrowth and we are talking about them. Okay. Most of you are already subscribers of eGrowth. Those of you who are not, please consider to do so. All right. The first and foremost initiative that we have is that we've got a go-to person for Greater Mumbai. Subak Malwai, you've been listening to him for some time. So Deepak brings with him an experience of around 40 odd years in various industries. We were looking at what value add should we do in eGrowth such that people are able to get more benefit out of it. So one of the things that we thought was, how about having a mentor, a person to whom you can go with the problems in your business and he or she can add to that. So I was having this conversation with Subak and he was very generous enough to take it up and to contribute his time for this. Okay. So it's an honor. Okay. I have known Deepak for around 10 years. Every time he has surprised me with the awesome knowledge that he has of the industry, the deep conversations that he is able to bring. All right. And I thought if I can leverage that, definitely everybody else must also leverage this. With that in mind, it's an honor, it's a pleasure, it is awesome, all the great things in life, to introduce Deepak to you. All right, we don't want to continue speaking today. What we want to do is we want to ask from you, what is it that will make it worthwhile for you? What inputs do you seek? What support do you seek? And then we'll start building from there. Okay. And one more thing, we cannot start it without acknowledging another person. This person is Dharmishta Bhatia Shah. Anybody here who does not know Dharmishta?
Everybody knows her, I think.
Maybe Chef Hussain would not.
Yes,
Hussain
I
would
don't
not.
know.
Right, right. So Dharmishta has been the spine of e-growth in Mumbai. Okay, she has brought e-growth to a level where we have more than 2,000 people associated with e-growth in Mumbai. So actually speaking, Sukhdeepak has been brought in to assist or to support Dharmishta. Sukhdeepak, would that be okay? Would that be appropriate to say so?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I think I can see that, this is like riding a tandem bicycle. How many of you have seen that two people riding one bicycle, long one, right?
So this is not two, this will be multiple together. Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Understand? So we are all together, and there's another thing which I'm very fond of. Each one of us is like an angel with only one wing. एक ही पंख है हमारे साथ. We can only fly if we fly together. तो एक पंख
Absolutely.
धर्मिष्ठा के पास है, एक मेरे पास है, दोनों मिलकर ई ग्रोथ को बेसिकली मुझे क्या नजर आता है कि जो लोग चाहते हैं, जिसकी वजह से उन्होंने इसको ज्वाइन किया है, वो मकसद पूरा होना चाहिए, और जो भी योगदान उन लोगों को चाहिए, वॉट एवर सपोर्ट दे नीड, सो मुझे आई थॉट कि ये इस फोरम से ये शुरुआत की जाए कि ये जो टीम है यहाँ पर बैठी हुई. Atul, have you finished saying what you wanted to, or?
Yes, I have finished. I have got a question for you.
Me?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So if you can please share a little bit, half a minute about yours.
Me?
And yes, about yourself, and then maybe around 2 minutes as to why did you choose this? What future do you see which can be fulfilled through this engagement? Is that a good question?
Yeah, absolutely. We've been talking about it so often. So let me tell you one thing. I have been in training, coaching, and healing for about 30 years. Okay. As a part of this journey, I was one of the pioneers of landmark education. If you have heard of the Landmark Forum, जब किसी ने इसका नाम नहीं सुना था, जब हमारा ब्रोशर भी नहीं हुआ करता था, जब दिल्ली में कोई ऑफिस नहीं हुआ करता था, मैंने अपने घर से इसको शुरू किया, ग्रो किया, और आज जहां पर है, आप दिल्ली में आके ऑफिस देखिए, आपको समझ में आएगा. तो जब व्हेन अतुल पुरी स्टार्टेड ई ग्रोथ, तो मुझे वही चीज नजर आई कि एक आदमी फ्रॉम स्क्रैच एक चीज शुरू कर रहा है लोगों के भले के लिए, राइट? मुश्किल काम होता है, बिकॉज लोगों को समझ नहीं आता क्यों कर रहा है. लोग शक करते हैं, ये क्यों कर रहा है भाई, इसका क्या फायदा होगा. हिंदुस्तान में ये बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. तो एनीवे, इसको ग्रो करके हम एक जगह में लाए हैं. सो इन माय जर्नी, जब हमने ग्रो किया, हम मुट्ठी भर लोग थे, राइट? सारे वॉलंटियर थे, किसी को कुछ नहीं मिलता था, मगर हमारे अंदर एक जुनून था कि ये जो चीज है जिससे लोगों का परिवर्तन होता है, पीपल गेट ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड, उनके जीवन में नए नए पॉसिबिलिटीज खुलते हैं जो वो सोच भी नहीं सकते हैं. तो उसी स्पिरिट के साथ मुझे लगा कि जो ई ग्रोथ है, अब एक बहुत बढ़िया प्लेटफॉर्म बन चुका है. वी नो इट बिकॉज हम लोग पोस्ट सब लोगों के देखते हैं. बट आई हैव ऑल्सो बीन अ मेंबर ऑफ ई ग्रोथ फॉर मेनी ईयर्स नाउ. मेनी ऑफ यू हैव बीन. तो मेरे दिमाग में ये क्वेश्चन आया कि भाई, जिस उम्मीद से मैंने ई ग्रोथ ज्वाइन किया था, क्या वो पूरा हो रहा है या नहीं? Just 1 second. Rajendra, please join the call. We are having the e-growth mixer and I am on that call. Could you join us? The link is there on this thing, WhatsApp group. So, मैं क्या कह रहा था? So, आज मेरा मकसद ये था कि मेरा मकसद क्या है कि I support all of you. Find out what you need. Like Atul said, if you come to me with your difficulties, I will not add to your difficulties, but I will help you to overcome them by allowing you to see the possibilities कि अब क्या किया जाए, and especially e-growth को किस तरह से leverage किया जाए. देखिए, हम न्यूज़पेपर में एडवर्टाइजमेंट डालते हैं पैसे देके, ठीक है, और जिस लोगों ने पढ़ी तो उसने पढ़ी. तो न्यूज़पेपर में ऐड डालना या ई ग्रोथ में आप अपना ऐड डालना, उसमें कुछ फर्क है क्या? और अगर फर्क होना चाहिए तो वो क्या फर्क होना चाहिए? बिकॉज इस प्लेटफॉर्म को मुझे ये लगा कि इफ यू आर ओनली गोइंग टू यूज इट फॉर पुटिंग आवर एडवर्टीजमेंट ओवर हियर, सो टिपिकली मैंने देखा है व्हेन अ पर्सन ओपन्स द ग्रुप इन द मॉर्निंग, वो ये देख रहा होता है कि मेरी ऐड आई है कि नहीं, दूसरों की कितनी ऐड पड़ता है मुझे मालूम नहीं है. ओके, सो मैंने सोचा कि वी विल स्टार्ट अ कॉन्वर्सेशन टुडे टू फाइंड आउट कि we as a core, let us consider that we are a core team of Mumbai. Okay, Dharmishta, I, and all the people who are on this call. Vijay Shah, Vijay is a very, very experienced man also. So what can we do that we leverage? Do you understand leverage, what it means, leverage? क्योंकि जब भारी चीज उठानी पड़ती है तो एक लीवर यूज किया जाता है, तो कम शक्ति से ज्यादा भार उठाया जा सकता है. So when we talk leverage here, to me it means that there are many people in my group. Do I know them? Do they know me? Do I know them enough that if I'm looking for certain services, now I know Girish bhai very well, and I know Shah bhai very well, I know Dharmishta very well. So I know that मुझे उस तरह की सर्विसेज चाहिए होंगी तो मुझे किसके पास जाना चाहिए. तो मैं अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट ढूंढूंगा ई ग्रोथ में, ना कि सिर्फ अपनी जो मैं ऑफर कर रहा हूं उसको मैं पोस्ट करूंगा. तो दिस इज व्हाट आई वुड डू. तो अगर मेरी जान पहचान बनती है इस प्लेटफॉर्म के जरिए, कुछ लोगों के साथ कुछ फेमिलियरिटी बढ़ती है, तो जाहिर है कि मैं उनके पास अगर कोई चीज है जो मैं चाहता हूं, मैं उनके पास ही जाऊंगा ना लेने के लिए. लाइक इफ आई नो Hussain and I say कि okay, he is in the food business, so if I want to order food, who will I go to? अगर वो एक फेसलेस एडवर्टीजमेंट है, मैं हो सकता है पढ़ूं या ना भी पढ़ूं. सो दिस इज माय टेक ऑन इट. सो मैं ज्यादा बोलना नहीं चाहता हूं. आई वुड इनवाइट यू गाइस टू स्पीक एंड टेल मी कि हमें क्या करना चाहिए जिससे कि आप इस नेटवर्किंग प्लेटफॉर्म का पूरा फायदा उठा सकें. Dharmishta, you want to say something before we invite the others?
Let's hear them.
Okay, good.
My opinion is
like to
let's
start?
have a listening now, and then we see how to take it ahead from here.
Okay, so who would like to speak? Would you like to speak, Saurav or Neelam Khanna or Manoj Mehta or Girish or anybody else? Or Vijay ji?
Okay, let me start. I'm looking forward to establish a insurance broking company, and there are legal and technical requirement, and there is a funding requirement also. And I'm looking forward to creating how to create the setup for the same. At the same time, also with the NGO, Giant Welfare Foundations, so I'm thinking two things parallelly. Having almost 10,000 franchisees across the country who will be licensed insurance professionals. At the same time, I'm looking forward to have the market also and contribute socially too. So I'm looking for equal number of the branches for NGO also. This is going to be a very unique worldwide platform for socio-economic activity. And with the contact with the lots of association, trust and community, where I'm having a very good mastery in the India today, there we have served almost 1.5 million customers of Reliance Mukesh Ambani company long back, other banks also. I'm creating a kind of a conglomerate of a insurance and social economic platform. I have to put down everything still on the put of paper. I will put down everything in a week of time, and definitely will come back to you and others too. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Vijay bhai. That's very nice, and it's very nice to know this wonderful job that you are doing in the world. But I want to ask you a question. So today we are on this mixer because we would like to discuss and find out what we can do that you and other members are also able to make the better use of this platform. See, you are in e-growth for what purpose? All of us are here for some purpose,
Yes.
na?
Exactly.
What is that purpose?
The business which I'm running is to grow from them and take the people, not only me, people around the country. I also want to take them ahead. And with my one of the new platform of healing, I want to take it globally also, which I've decided in the last 1 week only.
That is fine. Vijay Saad, what I'm trying to ask is कि अगर ये तो मैं वैसे भी कर सकता हूँ ना? So how I can use the e-growth for the benefit of my business.
ई ग्रोथ के पास एक कभी जो काफी सारे नेशनल लेवल के कॉन्टेक्ट है जो अतुल पुरू ने इतने साल में बनाए हैं ना, ये कॉन्टेक्ट को लेके भी साथ में काफी लंबा चला जा सकता है कि इनकी जो नीड्स है इंश्योरेंस में, जैसे मेरी कुछ 5-6 लोगों से बात हुई थी लास्ट 2-3 महीने के अंदर, so they realize that they are not having the enough support in the field of insurance as they require, which I have at my hand. I'm looking for the growing the professionals in the country. I'm looking for mentoring the people for insurance.
Right. So you're looking for something and you are hoping that you will get it out of e-growth, right?
Yes, yes. So this is one of the platform where I can this can be fulfilled.
Good. So what we are trying to discuss today, Vijay Saab, is that how can we help the members, all of the members,
Right.
not only
Yes.
us people,
Right.
how can we help them to get more out of this platform?
Exactly. Right.
See, today if they are getting, let us say, 5 contacts in a month, which they are using, how we can help them to get 50?
Correct. Correct.
तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए कि इस प्लेटफॉर्म को और बेहतर तरीके से ये लोग यूज कर सकें? That is what we are asking you to share.
So it's
In
like
addition
this, if I may just add to this, अगर आज इस कॉल के ऊपर 9 की जगह अगर 99 लोग होते, so would that have been something which will take your
Message.
dream forward, विजय भाई?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
होता ना?
Yes.
तो अब वो 99 करने के लिए एक तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, दूसरा आपको क्या चाहिए, राइट? So for
Right.
example, today in Bombay we've got I think we got 10 groups, so that is around 2,000 odd people.
Okay. Okay.
Out of those 2,000, so who know e-growth, I'm not talking about who don't know e-growth,
Okay.
उसमें से केवल 8 लोग हैं, मैं तो बाहर से हूँ,
Okay.
राइट? सो व्हाट इज इट? सो जब तक उन लोगों को आपके सपने के बारे में पता नहीं चलेगा, so they will not be, neither will they be able to contribute to you, nor will they be able to take contribution from you.
Right. Right.
Make sense?
Right.
So this is a resource which is available. You tell us, how do you want to use this resource?
स्पेशली मैं जो काम करने को जा रहा हूँ, यहाँ पर इंश्योरेंस इंडस्ट्री इतनी बड़ी है, जहाँ पर 25 लाख लोग हैं, उसी में से काफी लोगों को आगे आना है प्रोफेशनली, तो ये सेगमेंट को मुझे एड्रेस करना है. दिस इज नॉट फॉर एवरीबॉडी, दिस फॉर द पर्टिकुलर सेगमेंट ओनली. तो ये सेगमेंट को एड्रेस करना है, तो मैं इसके लिए मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि ये ई ग्रोथ को प्लस जो मेंटर से मलवाई जी और भी है, बराबर ना, अरे ये जो ई ग्रोथ की जो पूरी ताकत है उसको कैसे यूज करना, अभी मैं हैव टू पुट ऑन द पेपर.
ठीक है, very nice, thank you very much.
Right. Yeah.
Girish, before you leave, would you like to say something? Girish bhai, are you there?
Hello.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, go ahead.
For me, I think I had not been connected deeply with the e-growth. So what I feel that first, if I have any requirement, then I should post it on the group. So that way, at least we will get bonding with the members, and then at least when I start sharing these details with the members, and if I try to get communicate with each and every member, which I had not done till now, so that I have to take up and I have to at least do a call to the members, at least introduce myself and to get some introduction from all the members. So it will give a little bit edge, and we will know each other, and we can share the business in coming days.
Beautiful, beautiful. That's
And this
wonderful.
I learned from you, sir, because we had having a conversation. I think so. We had spoke 3 to 4 times over a phone, and we
I
had
remember
discussed not in length, but at least we had discussed a few points that we have to at least how we can use this platform in the benefit of not only in our own, but for all the members who are also associated with eGrowth.
Yeah, and it works, huh? Because one of my cousins was looking for a refurbished laptop. So मैंने groups में डाला कि anybody who deals with refurbished laptop, and 3-4 people replied to it, and I was able to tell my cousin, look, these are the people. If you want to buy a refurbished laptop, so I thought I should start this. And that's a beautiful thing. Thanks, Girish, for sharing. Anything else?
No, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Okay, so who else? Saurabh?
Yes, sir. Sir, though I am very new to this eGrowth platform, and I have been seeing that eGrowth is already doing a lot of things which are needed to connect to people. So here, what I can add to it is that let's believe in each other as a group and be consultants to the business we are doing. As Vijay sir also told that he is good at insurance. Probably I am very good at the electronic security domain. So we can excite the people who are not into the eGrowth group by telling them that we have consultants for the business you are into. And they will teach you, or they will guide you, and they will connect you to the other consultants we have, so that you get a knowledge of those product line. Second, which I definitely would like to have it, is that I have heard, Atulji, that eGrowth is already associated with almost 100 plus organizations. So I really want to connect to all the organization, or probably approved as a vendor to all those organizations. So anybody joining the eGrowth group, he should be given a platform wherein he can connect to the hard work which Atulji has already done. This will help people to get excited and enter to the eGrowth group and to the inner circle. Because what I have felt now, daily doing a CEO call, appreciate to Atul for inviting all the very good speakers, which definitely encourage us make a positive approach. But entering into the inner circle is altogether a different experience, where we really see to do business with such consultants, you can say, or core team. So this is my viewpoint on eGrowth.
Very nice, Saurabh. Excellent. And Neelam?
Sir, actually, this is my, I think so, second meeting which I just attended it. तो ये तो मुझे सबसे पहले I really appreciate those guys who are इतना सारा efforts ले रहे हैं, और जो इतने सारे senior लोग हैं, जो आपका experience है, according that आप जो करोगे वो excellent होगा. But I believe in R-Cube, which is reference, recommendations and recognition. इट मीन्स जैसे कि आपने बोला, आपका एक्सपीरियंस बताया कि किसी को लैपटॉप चाहिए था और आपको 3-4 इमीडिएट रिस्पॉन्सेस आ गए. अकॉर्डिंग दैट, अगर इसी तरह से किसी का अगर कोई रिक्वायरमेंट होता है, एंड इस तरह से आप अगर लोगों को रेफर करते हो, या उनका रेफरेंस देते हो, या उनको रिकमेंडेशंस देते हो, तो इसके अकॉर्डिंगली एक रिलेशनशिप भी बिल्डअप होगा. और जो रिलेशनशिप के साथ में जो ट्रस्ट वर्दीनेस के साथ जो बिजनेस आएगा, और एक ट्रस्ट लोगों के साथ बिल्डअप होगा, और रिलेशनशिप के साथ जो आपका एक इनहांस क्रिएट होगा, जो eGrowth को आगे बहुत ज्यादा ले जाएगा. मतलब एक ट्रस्ट के साथ ये नाम जुड़ जाएगा. eGrowth मीन्स ट्रस्ट, कि हमने यहाँ पे पैसा डाला है, और हमें अगर यहाँ से कुछ ना कुछ आउटपुट तो 100% मिलना नहीं मिलेगा, 100% एटलीस्ट 50 to 55% भी मिलता है, तो भी हम लोग सेटिस्फाइड हो जाते हैं. तो ये मेरा एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है. दूसरा, एक जैसे मेरा थोड़ा सा मीडिया का बैकग्राउंड है, तो अगर हम इन चीजों को थोड़ा कैटेगराइज कर लेते हैं, जैसे जिसका जो डिपार्टमेंट है, अगर कोई सीए में है, कोई इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर में है, तो जस्ट वी कैन कैटेगराइज देम, और फिर उनके अकॉर्डिंगली अगर किसी को अगर रेफरल चाहिए म्यूचुअल फंड के लिए, तो दे कैन फाइंड आउट देम. किसी को ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट के लिए चाहिए, दे कैन फाइंड आउट देम. ये मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव है. दैट्स इट सर. थैंक यू.
Beautiful. Very nice points, Neelam ji. Very nice. एक
Thank you,
बड़ी
sir.
इंटरेस्टिंग बात है, जब ये आपका कोविड शुरू हुआ
जी जी
और लॉकडाउन शुरू हो गया, तो
Right.
उसी दौरान मैंने एक पहली बार मैंने कहा चलो ऑनलाइन सेमिनार करते हैं,
Right.
और उसमें कम से कम 70-80 लोग रजिस्टर हो गए थे। और ऑनलाइन सेमिनार से एक दिन पहले हमारी बिल्डिंग में जो मेरा वो वाईफाई का जो सप्लायर है, उसका जो मेन राउटर है वो फूक गया। तो मैंने उसको फोन किया, मैंने कहा भाई संदेश, ये तो नहीं चलेगा, मेरा ऑनलाइन सेमिनार है, 80 लोग आने वाले हैं। कहता सर मैं क्या करूं, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता। तो मैं तो हमेशा पॉसिबिलिटी खोजता हूँ ना, मैंने कहा चल तू मुझे बता, मेरे को थोड़ा टेक्निकल नॉलेज है, मैं जाता हूँ और उसको ठीक करता हूँ। तो जब मैं वहां गया और मैंने उसको बताया कि ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है, कहता सर ये तो पार्ट ही खराब हो गया है, अभी इसका कुछ नहीं होगा। मैंने कहा क्यों नहीं होगा? कहता सर वो लेमिंगटन रोड बंद है, तो वहां पे तो ये पार्ट मिलेगा नहीं। ठीक है ना, मैंने कहा तू मेरे को बता ये कौन सा पार्ट है, मैं सोर्स करता हूँ। अब देखिए यहाँ पर जो हमारी नेटवर्किंग काम आती है, ठीक है ना, मेरी वाइफ जो है वो बीएनआई की मेंबर है, मैंने उसको बोला कि मैं क्या ऐसे ऐसे है, तो हमने 3-4 फोन कॉल किए, तो एक ऐसे सज्जन मिले, तो उन्होंने कहा देखो अभी मेरी दुकान तो लेमिंगटन रोड में है, मगर मैं दुकान खोल नहीं सकता, और मेरा गोडाउन कौन सा जगह मालूम नहीं वहां पे है, बट लेट मी सी मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, आप बताइए। ओके, मैं कहीं ना कहीं से आपका वो करूंगा। मैंने कहा अगर ये पार्ट मिल जाए ना तो 3 पीस ले लेना मेरी तरफ से। यू विल नॉट बिलीव इट, अगले दिन मॉर्निंग तक वो पार्ट हमें मिल गया, ऑलराइट, और हमने अपने बिल्डिंग की कमिटी से स्पेशल परमिशन लेके वो पार्ट लग गया और मेरा सेमिनार हुआ। नाउ दिस इज द पावर ऑफ नेटवर्किंग। तो जिस तरह से अगर हमें मालूम हो कि हमारे ग्रुप में कौन क्या कर रहा है,
Right.
सो अब मैंने पूरा कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, कम से कम मैं चाहता हूँ कि जो जितने ग्रुप्स में मैं हूँ, तो आई शुड नो हु इज डूइंग व्हाट।
Yeah.
अगर किसी की भी, अब मुझे मालूम है अगर फाइनेंशियल प्लानर मुझे चाहिए तो मैं धर्मिष्ठा का नाम बता दूंगा, इंश्योरेंस का काम है तो विजय भाई का नाम बता दूंगा। इस तरह से आई थिंक अगर हम सब लोग जाने
Right.
कि मुझे अभी एक बहुत अच्छी चीज है, आज अतुल एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग अनाउंसमेंट्स करने जा रहे हैं, अगर हम अपना पोर्टल को ठीक से यूज करना शुरू कर दें तो वहां पर भी हम लोगों को खोज सकते हैं। ठीक है ना? सो बिफोर वी आस्क हिम टू से, आई थिंक Saurabh has spoken, Neelam has spoken. Manoj ji, would you like to say something to us?
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, very much so. Can we see you also?
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I would like to add a point to this. What Neelam says. I had a similar thought. Like we should categorize, and as well as we should public maybe a weekly or bi-weekly, that these are the one category we can probably say these are the CAs with us, these are the insurance people with us, digital marketers, or so and so. But maybe weekly or bi-weekly, as we are posting weekly posts or something like that in a specified format. So that's one take from my side. Another one is like I would suggest to people to put the testimonials from whom they get the services. So it is one kind of referral for them. So suppose someone take services from me, so they can, or vice versa. So I can put testimonial for them. So that will be a weightage for him or her as a service provider or maybe a product selling. And we have a platform of e-growth as posting is going on for selling and buying. We can have one more section as a testimonials also. So that can be circulated on WhatsApp group, portal as well as on a WhatsApp group. So that will be one kind of engagement, one kind of referral for other members, and a little weightage for them. Plus, one more thing I would like to add is when we are posting on this e-growth WhatsApp groups, so that has to be little content rich. That has to be little qualitative rather than quantitative. I've seen many people posting same posts daily or even twice or thrice a daily. So that should be, I think, maybe restricted from my point of view, and put some post which is more engaging, more appealing to the people who can definitely get in touch with. At least if you put some kind of teaser, then people are interested, they'll definitely get in touch with you. There will be some kind of lead from yours to you, I mean, whomsoever is putting. That's all. I mean, this is my view, because see, e-growth has already a large number of people, a large number of members base, which I mean, like definitely is जो बोलते हैं ना समंदर है, काफी सारे members है. It is like we need to explore. Even some steps people, group members has to take from there, and like one-to-one meeting. I don't think so. It's happening more over there. That's
वन फोन पे ही बात कर लो यार एक दूसरे से.
yeah. I mean, like the phone पे कर सकते कुछ भी अभी तो see communication is not difficult as it is. If you say
Nowadays,
I can't do, that is an excuse. That's it, simple. So one-to-one meeting is there. So these are the things I think where we can tap, and a lot of other things. So one more thing I'll suggest, Atul, I'm not whether it's feasible or not. We can go for a mobile app also where the things are very handy. So this is all from my view. Over to you guys.
All right, very nice. Thank you very much, Manoj. So we have a person who has just joined us, Kalin Bolinkar. Would you like to introduce yourself, please?
Hi, everybody. Sorry for joining in so late. So we are into high-tech solutions for air and water purification using UVGI, ultraviolet germicidal irradiation. So associated with the company for last 20 years, they are into specializing and studying how UVC bandwidth of light can kill viruses, bacteria, pathogens, etc. So 7 different range of products, right from robotics, which can clean a 10,000 square feet place in 80 minutes, to handheld wands, which used for surface disinfection, to airborne disinfection, specialized cabinets that have two-sided openings for PPE kits disinfections. So sanitizing and disinfecting air and water with the help of UV light. So that's what I'm into.
Wow, very nice. So just to bring you, in sync with what we are doing, Mr. Bolinkar. See what we were discussing. Kalin. So what I'm Subdeepak. All right. Now, what we were discussing is that how can we better use this platform, as members.
Right.
So how can I make better use of it? So some suggestions came from some other members. So what would you say that if we have to make better use of this platform to help everybody get what they want? See, you are here because you want something, others are here because they want something. Okay. And I was sharing with people that look, this is not just an advertising medium, it's a networking medium, and the networking has a power to it. Like I have personally had 2 experiences how networking has helped me to find solutions which were almost impossible.
Correct.
But that happens when you know people and you can request them. So what is your suggestion on to how can we use e-growth in a better manner?
Right. First is, I think, increasing the know of what people are doing and what they're into. Second, I think would be very crucial is creating that adequate relatedness within the circle of people. That gives it's out of mind, but then you don't it doesn't strike you, you can refer somebody there for something. So for me personally, I've been quite in and out of participation, honestly, with Atul and with eGrowth. So yeah, I guess Atul, if there is some link we can share and get to know the database of what we have as people and what they're participating in, that would be a good starting point.
Okay, good. Thank you very much, Kalin. And Rajendra, thank you for joining us. And would you introduce yourself and then also enlighten us with your views on how do you think we should use this platform in a better manner?
Good evening, everyone. For those of you who don't know me, this is Rajendra Makwana, and I'm astrologer, Vastu consultant, numerologist, and more, and have completed 24 years in this field, serving people, and my clients have a lot of breakthroughs using my suggestions and advices. So it is a moment of taking proud for myself. Okay, Sukdeepak, what question did you ask? I mean, I completely missed a major part of this meeting. So in which reference you are asking this question? I did not
See,
get this question.
we are all members of eGrowth, right? And we
Okay.
are using it to what I'm seeing is that we are all using it to post our advertisements on it. Okay.
Okay.
So are we seeing this only as an advertising medium? Because if we are doing that, then we are not really using this platform to its full power. So the power of this platform is that it's a networking platform, and networking has a lot of power in it. So what is your suggestion as to how we can use this platform? Because there are huge, like 2,000 members in Mumbai. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So are we establishing our contact with these 2,000 members? Do we know who they are? So when we are looking for some goods or services, are we looking within our members? See, we are all posting what we are giving, but we
Yeah.
haven't yet started asking. You understand? Whenever
Yeah.
I've asked, I was sharing with some
Yeah.
people
Yeah.
during COVID time, I was stuck up, we needed something, and I asked, and somebody actually went out of the way and arranged that thing for us. That is the power of networking. So what is your suggestion? How can we better utilize this platform called eGrowth?
Yeah. See, according to me, my idea is this, that, everything starts with a relationship. Okay. So if this platform can be utilized for building amazing and wonderful relationships among the members, then there will be a lot of difference can be made in the lives of all the members. And I mean, in turn, सबका जो भी बिजनेस है, जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सर्विसेज है, वो तो डेफिनेटली एक दूसरे के थ्रू रेफरल थ्रू वो होने वाला ही है.
अगर हम जाने कि कौन क्या कर रहा है.
Yes. Instead of, I mean, simply using this platform for just pushing our products and services, मेरे ख्याल से रिलेशनशिप बिल्ड करने के ऊपर अगर ध्यान दिया तो we can achieve a lot. I mean, everyone will be delighted. This is my view.
Okay. Very good.
सुखदीपक जी की मैं कुछ बताऊं?
हाँ जी, बताइए सर.
राजेंद्र मकवाना को भी मैं जानता हूँ, कालीन को भी मैं जानता हूँ, सौरभ एक ज्वाइन रिसेंटली, नीलम में ज्वाइन रिसेंटली. मेरी सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि सीईओ टॉक डेली होती है 3 से 4 बजे, बराबर है अतुल?
हाँ जी.
हाँ, उसके सिवा अतुल ने जो स्पेशल प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया है इनर सर्कल, ये शायद सबको पता नहीं है. तो राजेंद्र, कालीन जो है ना, नीलम, यहाँ पर क्या क्रिएट होता है, हर एक की जो चैलेंजेस है आगे बढ़ने की, उसके बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं, और भी 15-20 लोग डिस्कस करते हैं. उसको एक बड़ी दिया जाता है जो उसके साथ में उनके जो सपने हैं, उनके जो ड्रीम है, वो रियलाइज करने में उनको सपोर्ट करता है. तो मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप इसके लिए भी समय निकालें, या अपने खुद के लिए समय निकालें, इसमें इन्वॉल्व हो जाए, ज्यादा इंटरेक्शन होगी, ज्यादा एंगेजमेंट होगा, तो एक रिलेशनशिप बिल्टअप होती है. और स्पेशली इनर सर्कल में जो रिलेशनशिप बिल्टअप होती है वो एक लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए होती है ना, काफी क्लोज नीट ग्रुप है. तो मेरा सबसे इन्विटेशन है कि हम लोग ये इनर सर्कल को एक्सपांड करें, अपने बिजनेस को एक्सपांड करें. उसमें जो अतुल ने जो प्रपोज किया था लास्ट वीक में, जो अलग अलग लीडरशिप पोजीशन है, उसमें हमारा योगदान दे, उसी को अपने लाइफ में आगे लेके जाए. बराबर है सुखदीपक जी और अतुल?
एब्सोल्युटली, बिल्कुल.
ये सोच रहा हूँ ना.
और उसी लाइंस पे सोचते हुए अतुल ने ये सोचा कि भाई अगर हम इस तरह का कुछ करें. मुझे उन्होंने बनाया मेंटोर ये सोच के कि अगर किसी भी लोगों को किसी तरह की सपोर्ट चाहिए, राइट, अपने बिजनेस में या ई ग्रोथ को प्रॉपरली यूज करने में, सो ये बहुत अच्छा आइडिया अतुल, आई थिंक विजय भाई ने बहुत अच्छा आइडिया दिया है that we should invite more and more people to come to the eGrowth inner circle meeting. Okay, because that is a platform which can be used, in a regular way. Alternatively, we can have some sort of a meeting regularly. जैसे आज ये हमने बॉम्बे मिक्सर शुरू किया है, तो इसी लाइंस पर हम एक रेगुलर मीटिंग रख सकते हैं, जो इनर सर्कल तो नहीं है, मगर इनर सर्कल के जैसे हम लोग डिस्कस कर सकते हैं, वो भी हम कर सकते हैं. सो वी विल डिस्कस, अतुल एंड आई, how we can do both the things.
और एक चीज छोटी सी प्रपोज करूं कि जो इनर सर्कल की जो मीटिंग हो गई अतुल, वो YouTube पे है बराबर ना?
हाँ जी।
तो इसको भी हम अपने जो मेंबर है उनको बताए ये चीज कैसे काम कर रही है ना, क्या रिजल्ट आ रहे हैं लोगों को, बराबर ना? तो जब भी लोगों को पता चलेगा। हाँ प्लीज।
मैं एक फीडबैक दूं।
हाँ बताइए।
जैसा अभी हमारी ना सारी की सारी बात ये चल रही है कि हम इस समय सारे के सारे चैनल्स को बोलने के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं।
हाँ 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 हाँ।
हम सुनने के लिए नहीं यूज कर रहे। राइट? आज इस मीटिंग का पिछले हफ्ते भर से हर रोज हम पोस्ट कर रहे हैं दैट टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू हैव दिस मीटिंग।
राइट।
So out of the 2000 people,
9 people
only 10 people are here.
Right.
और उसमें से भी 4-5 ऐसे लोग होंगे जिनको एक या एक्स्ट्रा मैसेज गया है या एक्स्ट्रा कॉल किया गया है।
हाँ बिल्कुल, मैंने राजेंद्र को कॉल किया।
सिमिलरली हमारे 30,000 लोगों को पता है कि हमारा एक YouTube चैनल है, लेकिन सिर्फ 325 सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं इस समय। राइट? जो इनर सर्कल की मीटिंग होती है वो उस पर लाइव जाती है और सबको, जितने लोग सब्सक्राइब हैं उनको मैसेज आता है कि जी आज लाइव हुआ। सो अनलेस वी स्टार्ट रीडिंग इट विल नॉट हैपन। टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया घर पर आए और उसको नहीं पढ़ेंगे तो हमको नहीं पता चलेगा कि जी मुंबई में क्या चल रहा है।
Excellent.
So we have to figure that out. How can we do that? Right? Vijay bhai.
Yes, right. I agree with you. You have to see both the way. कि what makes people to click. अभी एक स्ट्रेट बात करते हैं कालीन से और मकवाना से ना।
अभी एक काम करते हैं, और कोई जो बच्चे हैं पहले उनका इनपुट ले लें, नहीं तो वो रह जाएगा।
सिर्फ आई थिंक सिर्फ शेफ हुसैन रह गए हैं, बाकी तो सब ने, और धर्मिष्ठा रह गई हैं।
और धर्मिष्ठा या
तो धर्मिष्ठा लेडीज फर्स्ट होते हैं ना हमेशा।
yes.
Hi all, listen to all and yes, जैसे विजय जी ने बोला, my suggestion is also the same. इनर सर्कल का जो मीटिंग हो रहा है 3 से 4, आ जाइए उसमें। there'll be a lot of exchange of conversations that happen. बहुत सारा ग्रोथ होता है। इनर सर्कल का एक ही मकसद है, अपने बिजनेस को आगे बढ़ाना, but at the same time taking the challenges and trying to review it by our own co-members. तो सबकी बात सही है कि अतुल को ये करना चाहिए, इनको ये करना चाहिए, बट मेरा सजेशन एक ही है, अपने को ये करना है कि एटलीस्ट लेट आवर प्रेजेंस बी फेल्ट टू द को मेंबर्स। एक ही चीज है, फोन उठाइए। रोज अगर को मेंबर्स 10 फोन किए, एक एक्सेल शीट पर लिख दिया, एबीसी ये एरिया में रहते हैं, ये बिजनेस है उनका, आगे जाके वंस द एरिया वाइज शीट इज मेड ऑन द एक्सेल शीट, ट्रस्ट मी, all these pain points will be addressed. That's my take to all of you. See you all at the next CEO meeting.
What is CEO meeting? वो कल शाम को 3 बजे वाली मीटिंग।
CEO is
CEO talks.
उसमें it is collaboration, excellence and opportunities. That's what eGrowth stands for. The small e stands for exponential growth. So every business, as Sukhdeepak ji rightly pointed out, needs leverage, that is manpower to take it ahead in one way or the other. आज नहीं तो कल हमको सबको ये जरूरत पड़ने ही वाली है, हमें नहीं तो किसी और को। तो why not connect our members to the unknown contacts of eGrowth and vice versa. So in short, taking the business to the next level is actually the key point here. Join the inner circle and the CEO circle meetings regularly. जब तक regularity नहीं रहेगी तब तक उसका hold नहीं पता चलेगा. That's all I have to say. Thank you.
Absolutely. and to use the power of networking. You know, अभी हमारे साथ में विजय जी हैं जो इंश्योरेंस के बहुत पुराने एक्सपर्ट हैं और ये तो बहुत अच्छी तरह जानते हैं. मैं आपको बताऊं, हमारी एक फ्रेंड है जिनको मैं 30 साल से जानता हूं बॉम्बे में. शी इज अ वेरी सक्सेसफुल LIC पर्सन, यू अंडरस्टैंड. उसका नाम है हर्षा कोठारी, एंड शी इज बीन वेरी वेरी सक्सेसफुल बिकॉज शी इज एन एक्सीलेंट नेटवर्कर. आप इमेजिन कर सकते हैं, 30 साल पहले मैं मिला था उनको, आज तक नहीं भूला. इनफैक्ट मैं ई ग्रोथ की मीटिंग में जब आया था आपके पास उधर, यू नो, फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे जो कॉलेज में हुआ था, शी वाज देयर एंड वी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड ईच अदर इंस्टेंटली. नाउ दैट जिमखाना में. सो दैट इज द पावर ऑफ नेटवर्किंग. और हम इस प्लेटफॉर्म को यूज करेंगे और ये करेंगे कि वी कैन डेवलप दिस काइंड ऑफ रिलेशनशिप्स, क्योंकि बहुत सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं हम एक दूसरे को. And I'm here to support you to do that also.
Sukhdeepak, Harsha Kothari, she is in insurance, right? Doing insurance.
Yeah, you would know her also. बहुत
Yeah, I
पुरानी
know.
है.
Padla East.
Small timings corrections. Inner circle meeting every Friday morning, 8 to 9:30. Inner circle big days meeting 3 to 4 o'clock. And on the Chopal on Sunday morning, 9:30 to 10:30. Yes.
And आप देख लीजिए, बारिश हो, बरसात हो, तूफान हो, कुछ भी हो, विजय भाई जरूर होंगे उन मीटिंग्स में, कभी मिस नहीं करते.
Absolutely.
Yes. I'm just new to this platform, just joined it today, so no real inputs, but as and when I have inputs, I'll surely contact Deepak until and let him know.
Yeah, but Hussain, what do you want from by being, why you know, how do you see it beneficial to you?
See, according to me, the platform, as I was seeing the group and everything today, I feel that by putting up what you do is also essential in one way, is also helpful in one way, but the thing is, like, as we spoke, that we can also categorize it into the different sections that people are working, and tell people that these many people are doing this. That would be kind of more helpful also. But right now, as of now, I feel that by putting this up, what I expect is that to get clients and to expand my business from where it was before.
Beautiful. Thank you very much for sharing that.
So Hussain, just taking your conversation forward,
yes.
How do you think I would be able to introduce somebody to you who can be a potential client for you?
I've got my number on my menu, and if the client calls me, I can, as a whole, customize his experience. Like, apart from my menu, I can do a lot of more things for the client also if they want. So if the client calls me up, giving your reference, I can do a lot. Also tell them what all I have.
Right. So just building on this conversation, Hussain. So if I don't know what you do,
correct.
If I don't know how good you are, I would not put my name onto it, right?
Correct.
And for me to know what you do and how good you are, you would need to have conversations with me.
Correct.
Right. Now, these conversations, if they are reduced to a menu, a piece of paper, then there are very few people who will actually pick up the piece of paper and call you up, right?
Correct.
Isn't it?
It's very simple.
So we're talking about bringing human interactions to build human relations. Right. So if we were to make a chicken biryani, you can't make it with a live chick, can you?
No.
So first you will dress it, then you would marinate it, then you would do whatsoever, and then finally biryani would get cooked.
Correct.
So unless you do that with me, I would not be ready to talk about you. Isn't it?
Correct.
So this, I think, holds true for everybody else also.
Correct.
It's very simple. I'll give you an example. That I met Dharmishta many years ago, and after knowing her so well, then finally, I talked to her recently about, something I wanted her to do for me. So she did it once, and I was satisfied with it. So I've asked her to do it again for me, right? And as we are doing it, we're getting to know each other, and I'm beginning to know her capabilities, right? If I'm satisfied with what I get out of that and the way that she's giving me service and all that, I will definitely recommend to others, na? But it begins by knowing. See, for example, we recommended you to somebody in Kolaba, and she really liked it, right?
Correct.
So you got one more order for a birthday because
Correct.
somebody liked it. And why? But why did we come to you? Because we know you.
Correct.
So the e-growth platform is where people get to know you. So they say, okay, here is this young man. He has done his, he's a chef. He has finished his hotel management and this and that. He's making very good food. So,
Correct.
possibly somebody who gets to know you may try out himself. "Tum humko bhejo, hum dekhte kaisa hai." And if he
Correct.
likes it, then he will recommend to others. But it all starts with knowing someone. See, why did I go to Dharmishta? Because I know her. If I had not known her, you think I would have gone to her and paid her money to do some work for me? No chance.
Correct.
Unknown आदमी के पास कौन जाना पसंद करता है?
Correct.
What we are saying is that on this platform, a lot of names are there, everyday ads are coming, but we haven't yet got to know each other. So when slowly, many people have suggested that we can call each other, talk to each other, we can share our profiles, maybe we can. Now, one very beautiful thing, and you should listen to Atul very carefully, because he's going to introduce something which he's launching for the benefit of the members. I mean, he's launched it a long time back, but he's making it easy for you to now make use of it. I think, Atul, you can talk about it now.
So I'll
let them have the benefit of it.
Yeah, so let me just share it with you guys, and then so here's are you able to see the screen?
Yes.
So this is something called as the basic subscription. Okay.
We can't hear you very clearly, Atul. You'll have to do something about it.
Just a moment.
Ab theek hai. Now it's okay.
Are you able to hear me now?
Yes.
All right. So this is something called as a basic subscription. Okay. Many of you would have heard that we had something called as registration. Okay. And what we have been talking for most of the last 1 hour is about building contacts. Right? So build contacts, the source for your business. So this is a landing page on our website, on the eGrowth website. Those of you who have not been to our website, may please note it is egrowth.org. Okay. So here's something really interesting for you. We're introducing a new subscription which is called as basic subscription, wherein you can build contacts, you can build your personal profile, you can create opportunities for yourself, and it is as low risk as possible. Okay. Here are some of the images of various cities where we've done events, where we've met up with people, all that stuff. Okay. When we're talking about building contacts, we're talking about a personal profile, a powerful search engine. So I was just hearing some people were saying that we want to have a list of who's who and where. So if you go to the portal, right now we've got 18,000 plus profiles which are already listed. You can search them based on the city they are from. You can also search them based on the industry they are from. And I promise you 18,000 is a big number if you really want to speak to those people. Okay. What you can use this for is marketing and business development. So you can promote your business by publishing your publishing blogs and articles on the portal. You can post your requirement, and you can also post your offer. Unlike WhatsApp, we will continue to be on the portal, and people can search the requirements and offers based on their requirements. I'll just show you that also in a moment, okay? And you can keep on building your net learning and development. Sometime back, Vijay ji was talking about the CEO talks.
Yeah.
CEO talks are happening every day. And every day we are getting a different specialist. Yesterday, there was a gentleman who is the 4th largest boiler manufacturer in India. Okay. He is also a member of the inner circle now. Till yesterday, he was not. Okay. So those are the kind of people who are associated with us. Last Friday, we had a gentleman named Nitin Munot. He's from your city. He runs a company called Technocrats Group, which is into electronic security and industrial automation. Okay. The net worth of his company, his annual turnover of his company is around 250 crores. These are the kind of people who are there on eGrowth. But reach out to them only if you are leveraging the platform, right? Choose the basic no risk subscription. See, most of you are already subscribers. Those of you who have chosen not to be subscribers, you might want to consider this. We are talking about a subscription which is the lowest ever. Okay, the normal annual subscription, which is the lowest watered down version, it is rupees 3,000, and we are offering it at only 999 per year. GS will be added to this. In this, what you get is you publish a verified profile. So when you create your profile, you also upload your identification documents, and those get verified by the system. The benefit is when somebody sees your profile and he sees that your PAN card is verified, your GST number is verified, your date of birth is verified, which city are you from is verified, you got a photograph there, your LinkedIn link is also there, your Facebook link is also there. There are 13 different parameters on which your profile gets verified. This is something which gives the other person the confidence to do business with you. Okay. So the benefit is you get reliable partners. You can post offers and get leads. You can publish articles and blogs to get inbound leads. This also helps you to fill workshops and events. All right. And subscription you can do just online. You don't need any human intervention over here. Here are some testimonials by some of the subscribers who've been there for time. And here is a list of various categories of people who should, or entrepreneurs who should consider the basic subscription. These can be manufacturers, service providers, contractors, consultants, coaches, trainers, counselors, commission agents, startups, entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, mompreneurs, studentpreneurs, intrapreneurs, micropreneurs, to-be entrepreneurs, freelancers, direct sellers, tech-savvy, rudimentary, Stone Age, Gen X, Gen Y, TikTok generation.
TikTok तो बैन हो गया.
Generation तो है ना, generation तो बैन नहीं हुई. So people like Sudeepa can also join us, all right? People who were died here, they can also join, all right? If you are a he, you can join. If you are a she, you can join. And if you are other, even you must join. If you are straight, most welcome. If you are not so straight, you are still welcome. And if you are you are still welcome. You are most welcome. All right. Here are some questions which you might have. You can go and have a look, and your questions will be answered. And if still you don't have you still have some doubts, you can always call up this number. Okay. Why I'm sharing this with you? We are going to launch this tomorrow on the 1st of July. The difference is earlier we used to have registration, which is valid for 10 years at 8,000 plus GST. We are reducing that entry barrier to just around 1,000 rupees. It is 999 plus GST, which comes to around 1,080 rupees, 1,180 rupees. That's all. You can try out. If you like it, you can renew it. If you don't like it, you don't renew it. This kind of money you spend even on the coffee shop. All right. Let me show you a couple of more things. We are talking about the inner circle. This is what the inner circle looks like. Okay. It is updated as of yesterday, so there are some names which are not here. So if you can see, we've got people from 8 cities. As of now, when we speak, we've got people from 10 cities in the inner circle. We've got 35 members. Average experience, it says, is 26.52 years. It will be a year here and there. Average age of the people is 449 years. And the man years experience has crossed 900 years in this one group. Okay. We've got people from manufacturing, B2B services, B2B trading, marketing, B2C, IT, professional services, financial services, learning. Okay, all these different industries are there. 4 pillars of the inner circle are learning, innovation, operations, and networking. If you want to experience inner circle, you can please click here. Book for the next inner circle. We will allow you 2 meetings where you can pay only 500 rupees and participate in that. Beyond that, you would have to subscribe to the inner circle. And that also is very economical for you. Vijayji was talking about the proceedings of the previous inner circle meetings. So this was the previous inner circle meeting, 19th of June. And you can have a look here. Okay. Here are some write-ups about what is it that happens inside the inner circle. Here is the leadership team of the inner circle. And here's a list of the various participants of inner circle. Who are they? Which city are they from? What business are they in? So this will give you a fair idea of what kind of leverage that you can get from the inner circle. Okay. In case this is something which comes as a wow to you, please type wow in the chat box. Or maybe a clap. Am I seeing some action in the chat box? 3. Fantastic. Chef Hassan, Kalin Polinskar, Rajendra Makwana, Vijay Shah. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And a very warm welcome to Saurabh and to Neelam for joining. So they are less than 24 hours old in the inner circle. So thanks both of you for taking this call. All right. Other than this, just have a look here. You can search for people based on their name. If you know their company, you can still search for them. If you are looking for a particular industry, you can look for them. If you are looking for people from a certain city, let us see how many people are there from Mumbai. So here it is Maharashtra, and here we've got Mumbai. Okay, let's see. So we've got around 37 of them, 37 pages. So that means around 370 odd people only from Mumbai. So if we put maybe Thane or Navi Mumbai, it will go to maybe say 500 of them. And this is what the profile looks like. So this is Amir Virani's profile. If you can see here, the subscription that he has is here, his name, his photograph. Since I'm not logged in right now, you're not able to see the contact details. But if you are a subscriber, you will be able to see the contact details over here. Which city is he from? When is his date of birth? When is his birthday? Then your social logins are over here. Okay. Now he has not entered the GST PAN or DIN number. Once he enters those are visible over here. Not visible in the sense, there's a tick mark which says that it is a valid entry. Okay. He can also show a video profile over here. Let me just a moment. Let me show you mine. Wow, Atulpur is not there. Interesting.
Atul, you need to change the city to get your details.
Okay, yes. Thank you.
I don't participate, but itna to aata hai yaar.
Bilkul. Yes. So I was also wondering. So there is a gentleman named Atul Vaidya. I know him in person. So he's from Mumbai. And yeah, India, I think I'm sure I should be there in India.
Select city do dalo.
So now I've just selected on the name. So there it is. So this is what a complete profile looks like. Okay, there's a photograph, name, a description. Here's a video profile. Here's the type of subscription. City, so here the city is validated, the date of birth is validated, PAN card is validated, DIN number is validated. Okay, here's a video profile, and then the opportunities that I have. So what am I looking for and what is it that I can offer? Then here in the business, there are three sections. One is profession. So I am a coach, a mentor, a trainer. And this is a company that I own, which is called EVN Learning Private Limited. Here also you see a tick mark. This means I own this company. Okay, so I would have uploaded my certificates and all that stuff, certificate of incorporation. And then I'm a member of various organizations. So I'm a member of TAI. I'm a member of Fire and Security Association of India. And I'm a member of eGrowth as well. And my membership is basic, all right? And then here are the education details. So various recognitions that I have, various trainings that I've participated in, the college that I'm from, and the school that I'm from. So all these details are available. So if you see this person's profile, you would definitely feel comfortable to have a conversation with him or maybe do business with him. Here on the right side, you see the statistics. How many connections this person has, how many blogs he has published. So I can just click here and go and see the blogs that this person has published. How many events he has listed, how many requirements he has listed, how many offers he has listed, number of companies he has, what are the memberships he has, and when was this created. All right. So this also tells you how old the person is in eGrowth. All right. And we can keep on building this further. So this is what is available to you when you become a basic subscriber. And you can see the contact details of all the people. So now let me show you the difference. How easy it is to log in. So here I go, I click, and I log in. Okay. So here it says, hi Atul. Here are some messages which I've got. It says, notifications. Wow, there's a new event. There are so many events which have been listed over here. All right. So every time I log in, I'm able to see what new has happened. And on the left hand side, here is an icon which shows me if I've got new friends. Okay. And now if I go and search the profile, what happened? I think, okay, great. So let us search for KLND. Let us search for Kalin. So Kalin has got two profiles. Okay. Let us click this one. Since I've logged in, I'm able to see Kalin's email ID, which is verified, and his phone number as well. The company that he has, his subscription on eGrowth. Okay. So like this, you would get the contact details of all the members once you are subscribed and you create your profile. Kalin, why do you have two profiles?
No clue, Atul.
No clue.
The one that's complete is without the picture.
All right. And the one with the picture is another Reddit mail email ID.
Yeah.
Fantastic. All right. So maybe you would like to clean it up. All right.
Yeah.
So this is what is possible. So you can search for various businesses. You can search for opportunities. So there's a tab here on the right hand side, okay, which says requirement. So at any time you can simply click it and enter a requirement that you have, which gets published without any moderation. So here are various opportunities, those are there. Okay. So suppose here is this guy, Harish Gupta. Okay, let's click here. So here are the details. So this is a requirement to buy something. He is looking for a service. Categories: architecture and engineering, industries, construction, location is New Delhi, person name is Harish Kumar Gupta, headline is this, and this is the description of what he is looking for. Okay, so like this, you can keep on publishing your requirements as well as your offers. I request you to spend some time to explore the portal. Only then you will be able to make greater use of it. Okay. So, Sudeep, can I stop sharing?
Yep, you can.
All
I think
right.
we've told people
Great.
enough. And
Yes. Yeah. So let us hear from all of you. What are your takes from this meeting, and how often should we have such a meeting? Rather, whether we should have such meetings again. First thing. Second, if yes, then how often? Third, whether you like Sudeepak as a person. इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई?
ऐसा प्रश्न पूछोगे तो सन्नाटा ही होने वाला है ना?
Yeah.
I think 2-3 questions you asked at once, so people may be thinking, which one shall I answer?
So do you think we should have such meetings more often? Yes, no, thank you.
Yes, maybe
Yes.
Yes, meeting should be there, but there should be some good agenda to it.
bi-weekly.
Okay. Bi-weekly or fortnightly?
Yeah, sorry, fortnightly.
Once in 2 weeks, right? Okay,
Yeah.
good. That's a great idea.
Hmm.
And when you say there should be an agenda to it, anything in particular that you have in mind?
Not really now, but yes, the agenda what started was how we can grow e-growth. and bring
No.
people in that. So that was one of the agenda which
Mm,
Atul has initiated.
See, that is my agenda.
actually,
That is not your agenda.
my agenda for this meeting, because I was the one who asked for it,
Yeah.
because if I have to mentor or be a mentor of Mumbai, I am a mentor to the members, okay?
G.
And I'm here to serve the members and their interests. Of course, I mean, obviously, if we make e-growth strong, then it's good for us, na? So that's one
Yes.
side of it. And
Right.
how we make use of this platform is where I come in, and how can I help the members in whatever they are dealing with. I mean, I have a lot of stuff available in my 30 years of training, coaching, and another 15 years of running. You know, I've been running my own enterprise all this time. So there's a lot I have learned from my mistakes, which I can teach people. So I can help you all a lot. So that's one thing. Second is, now suppose we have this meeting once in 2 weeks. One, it would be an opportunity for everybody to introduce themselves and get to know each other. That part should be there, I think. Other than that, what else would you like to be included in the agenda?
Probably one of the member can present him in 15 to 20 minutes of time, what he's into, so that other members can know him better and can connect
Beautiful.
to him.
Yeah, and that's a beautiful idea. And also, what we can do is all of us invite more of our contacts who are in e-growth to participate in this meeting, which happens once in a fortnight. And so more people will get to know you when you introduce yourself.
Right.
What should be the duration of this meeting?
On the contrary, my suggestion is instead of giving, so if it is 15-20 minutes, then this person has to sponsor this meeting. Okay, that's one piece. Yeah. The other piece is that everybody, they get maybe say 1 minute each to introduce themselves
and their business.
And whosoever wants to, so you will have maybe 10 people whom you want to touch base with. So you take down their number and their email ID, and then one-on-one reach out to them. That is what a mixer is all about.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So now we used, so mixer is not something new. Till date, we have done around 500 mixers. This would probably be the first time, or maybe the second, third time that we are doing an online mixer. Okay. The offline mixer that is hosted by an e-growth member. Okay. Typically 10-15 people go there, and the ones who go there, they pay for it. Okay. And then everybody gets an opportunity to introduce themselves. Generally, there is one 15 to 20 minute session, which is a knowledge session. And the host takes around 10-15 minutes to talk about himself. Okay. So with this, what happens is, when you are paying, you are showing your commitment. Okay. So even if you are paying 1 rupee, you would be more serious about doing stuff. Right. And in the physical space, the one who's hosting it, he has organized for the chai, samosa, vada pav. That also costs money, right? So it makes all the more sense that you contribute, so that the load does not come on him. All right. So only then it will work. So, and also what happens is, when you are the host, you would also get more, you would invite more people, because as you keep on growing the community, only then it makes sense for everybody. Does it make sense, Saurabh?
Yeah.
Saurabh,
yeah.
If there are only 5 people in a meeting, then you will be introducing only to 5, na?
Ji.
So one of the things which we will all have to do is that pitch in and invite as many people as we can. So let's say you introduce yourself. Better to introduce to 50 people than only 5 people, isn't it?
See, this meeting we can house 100 people. And if we have only 9, then we're wasting the available resources.
Right.
And that is the reason why we are starting a Greater Bombay based meeting, because there's a greater possibility for you people to meet up in person
At some
beyond
point.
the lockdown as well.
Yes.
And also there's a greater possibility of you conducting business. So many of the business owners have more local businesses. They may not have a national appeal, right? So when you have a more local thing, and you and all the people are from the local region, your catchment area, your possibility of translating it into business also increases. Make sense?
Yep, absolutely.
And having said this, Saurabh, your tips are very valid and taken into consideration.
Right, sir.
Yeah.
Thank
Anybody
you
else?
for sharing that. Saurabh.
Yeah.
Okay, anybody else? Ms. Kalind, would you also like to add something here? Kalind or Manoj or Neelam or Vijayji?
I think Dharmishta should also add. She's a master blaster.
Oh yeah, absolutely. So Miss
Yeah,
Kalind is saying
Kalind,
something.
your audio
You are
is not
muted.
able to hear you.
Kalind, we can't hear you.
Got it. Let me correct it.
Yeah,
now it's fine. No, again it's gone. Now it's fine. Keep speaking. Very faintly.
Some other.
Yes, now it's fine. Go ahead.
Basically, the audio has been going in and out. I couldn't hear much of the question and just parts of Saurabh's conversation.
Again, you, I think, have a major connection problem. You've gone again. Okay, so let's hang on and listen to what Dharmishta has to say in the meantime.
I was very happy that first you addressed me as Miss. So, अच्छा लगता है.
Who addressed you as Miss? Me?
हाँ, Miss Dharmishta तो मैंने ऐसे सुना.
नहीं, Mrs. Dharmishta. तुमको Miss सुनना है तो Miss बोल देते हैं. इसमें क्या?
Exactly. अच्छा, no, I think this was a very good meeting. Thank you so much, everyone, for contributing, creating, and ensuring that we give it more power. Yes, today we were, let's say, 9 of us. It won't be far when we are 90 and then 999.
Oh yeah, so absolutely. Shuruat, it always starts with this and then it goes to this, right?
Exactly.
Absolutely.
So even Atul has given a very right number, 999. We'll give it more power. We'll ensure that we have many more registrations coming in. And my take is only one. We all need to work hand in hand, because that's what networking is all about. Till my network doesn't talk about me as a person or as a profession, I don't think I could ever retire in life. Because once my network starts speaking about me, that's when I can say, now I can retire rich. So that's all from me.
And let us all, I think, let's consider that we all are the core starting foundation members of this group.
Excuse me,
Okay.
sir. I would like to say something about it.
Yes,
Actually.
Neelam ji.
Sir, 2 years back, I hosted a Umang Mela, which is a very powerful Mela in Kharghar. So that time
Okay.
I reached the people, most probably near about the 3,000 people, or maybe it more about the 3,000 to 4,000 people. And we
Mhm.
organized the Mela under of the corporator and the police of commissioner. And I was the only one person who hosted that Mela. And I'm just sharing my experience. अगर इसमें से कुछ हमें ई ग्रोथ के लिए कुछ होता है मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजीज के लिए, तो हमारे लिए भी बेनिफिशियल रहेगा। जो हम न्यू बॉम्बे को, जो मेरा अभी यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा होल्ड है, तो मैं उसमें कुछ अपना योगदान देना चाहूंगी। तो कहने का तात्पर्य यह है कि अगर हम कुछ जो इवेंट्स होते रहते हैं यहाँ पे, अभी एज ऑफ नाउ तो कुछ ऐसा इवेंट नहीं चल रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ द कोविड-19, बट इन फ्यूचर अपकमिंग अगर जनवरी वगैरह में, दोज आई एम कनेक्टेड विद दैट पर्सन्स राइट नाउ, तो अगर कुछ इवेंट्स करेंगे तो विल गेट, क्योंकि लोकल पीपल जो है वो कनेक्ट होना चाहते हैं एक दूसरे से, रीजन कोई भी हो, बिजनेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू हो या अपना रिलेशनशिप डेवलप करना हो या वट एवर इज देयर, बट द पीपल वांट्स टू कनेक्ट विथ ईच अदर एज ऑफ नाउ, राइट? तो ये मुझे लगता है कि वी शुड डू समथिंग लाइक ऑफ द एक्टिविटी लाइक दिस।
ओके,
Definitely.
ये तो एक आइडिया है, इसका और एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं। एंड वी हैव एन एक्सपर्ट लाइक यू, जब हमको ये कोविड खत्म होएगा।
Oh my God, thank you sir, but under your guidance only, because I like your name and I am getting some kind of positive vibes from you actually, and the name you are Sukhdeep, it's really I'm getting the Sukh only.
Sukh Deepak.
Yeah, Sukh Deepak. Yeah, yes.
Thank you, Neelam ji. Thank you very much.
That he blesses all of us with the light that he carries.
Yes, absolutely true, ma'am. Absolutely true.
See, I'm very clear about one thing. We, like when I did something similar many years ago in Delhi, we were only 6 people who started it, okay? From 6 people, we took it to 30 people. So we trained 30 leaders to take it on. And on those 30 leaders, the whole of that organization has been built. So this is Amchi Mumbai, right?
Right.
Absolutely. We are the people who can make this Mumbai e-growth something that, Atul will be proudly saying to people in Delhi and people in Kolkata and people in Bangalore, ke dekho, Mumbai wale log kya kar rahe hain. We can do that, right?
Right.
And for me, that day will come when every member says कि यार ये e-growth से मुझे बहुत फायदा हो रहा है।
दीपक जी, एक सिंपल 2 वर्ड बोलने हैं, नेटवर्क इज इक्वल टू नेटवर्थ। मुझे मेरी नेटवर्क बढ़ाना नहीं है, इतना मुझे नेटवर्क करना पड़ेगा, और कोई नहीं करेगा, मुझे खुद को ही करना पड़ेगा।
Absolutely.
जो पता चला ना, आप मुझे बिना स्वर्ग नहीं जा सकते ना, तो मुझे लगाना पड़ेगी।
नहीं, आप सोचिए विजय जी, आपने जो इतना बड़ा सपना अपना बताया हमको, ठीक है ना, कितने लोग आपके साथ नेटवर्क कर सकेंगे, ऑलराइट? कितने लोगों को आपको अपने नेटवर्क में जोड़ना पड़ेगा, तो उसके लिए हम लोग सब मिलके कितना योगदान दे सकते हैं, हम लोग मेंबर्स कर सकते हैं ना। हर किस्म की एक्सपर्टीज अवेलेबल है आपके लिए।
सर, और एक बात मैं देख रहा था, कभी बॉम्बे में फेस्टिवल आ रहे हैं गणपति के ना, 1 महीने के अंदर। तो जिसने गणपति के जो फेस्टिवल के जो रहेंगे ना लीडर्स, तो वी कैन अतुल डू समथिंग नो स्पेशली, कि उनको लेके हम लोग अपने, उनको कैसे आगे बढ़ाए, हम कैसे आगे बढ़े, बराबर ना?
Absolutely.
दिस इज अ कम्युनिटी, ये कम्युनिटी है, ये हर एक को आगे बढ़ना है, तो एक मौका है ना, तो मौके पे चौका और छक्का मार दे हम लोग। सोचिए इसके बारे में।
मेरे ख्याल से मैं आपसे बात करूंगा इसके बारे में विजय जी।
श्योर।
आई थिंक एक ऑफलाइन हमको एक कॉल करके मैं ये थोड़ा समझना चाहता हूँ, ये कॉन्सेप्ट में कुछ मुझे नजर आ रहा है इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट। धर्मिष्ठा कैन आल्सो बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट कॉल।
यस श्योर, डेफिनेटली।
कुछ इसके अंदर से, एंड एनीबडी एल्स हु वांट्स टू जॉइन कैन आल्सो जॉइन। आई थिंक नीलम जी, यू कैन आल्सो, वी कैन, द थ्री ऑफ अस, नीलम, धर्मिष्ठा, आई एंड विजय जी कैन have a conversation on this to begin
In fact, four of you come from different parts of Greater Mumbai.
Yep. Dharmishta is in one place and Neelam is somewhere else. And Vijay ji, आप कहाँ रहते हैं?
Vile
आपने बता
Parle.
रहे थे Vile Parle में. So we are all. And Saurabh also sounds like you are a very enthusiastic guy. If you want, we can all look at it.
Yeah, so Saurabh stays very close to Neelam ji.
Okay. Okay.
Generally, Google will have the same credentials, location.
Yeah, actually, if you see, no, Kalind also is staying, and we have Hussein is quite in the center in Baikula area. But let's understand a little bit more, you know, जो शाहजी बता रहे हैं ना, इसको अगर इसके अंदर कुछ ना कुछ तो है. अभी तो मुझे पूरा समझ में आया नहीं है क्या है.
सर जी एक छोटी सी बात बोलूं, अभी यहाँ पर अभी ये आ रहा है, बाद में बारिश में काफी सारे फेस्टिवल की सीजन चालू हो जाती है ना.
हाँ, वन आफ्टर द
अदर. तो जैसे बंगाल में बड़ा होता है, मुंबई में, गुजरात में नवरात्रि होती है ना. वी आर हैविंग, मैं क्या देख रहा हूँ, विजुअलाइज कर रहा हूँ, वी आर हैविंग एक्सेस टू द कम्युनिटीज, नो.
हाँ, मगर उसमें हम क्या कर सकेंगे और कैसे करेंगे वो देखते हैं.
So let us take that offline.
ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग करेंगे. ओके, श्योर.
मैं आपसे बात करता हूँ इसके बारे में एक बार, मैं समझ लूँ, और हो सके तो नीलम और धर्मिष्ठा भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं या कोई और भी हो. ठीक है ना. बहुत ज्यादा को सबको कोऑर्डिनेट करना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा.
नहीं, बराबर है. ठीक है
ना. तो
हम
शुरू तो करें.
Please definitely ensure that let us have some messages about this meeting in the various groups.
Yes.
Okay. So that they know what they missed.
Yeah.
And
today we had this meeting.
Yes, and we start building some traction around it.
Yep. So next week, those after 2 weeks when we meet, let us have 90 people on it. How about that?
Absolutely.
9 to 99.
Great.
I think that's what I'm going to go for.
Done.
So each one of us can, do something in his own way. To make
Only
it
10.
Yes.
Huh?
Only 10. Each one needs to get only 10 people. That's it.
Easy.
Yes,
easy.
Today I called up 2 people and they came. No, 3 people.
Great,
I called
great,
Dharmishta also.
Great.
Right. Oh, bye.
Bye.
All right. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining us. Good night. Bye. Thank you very much. Manoj, thank you. Kalin, thank you. Saurabh, thank you. Hussein, thank you. Neelam, thank you.
Bye, Sugdeep ji.
Thank you all.
Bye.